We're so excited to share a look at our newest project in Trivandrum. We kicked things off with a traditional inauguration to welcome Royal Laundry into the family, and the energy in the room was amazing. This place is fully equipped to take the hassle out of commercial-grade laundry. Our GEI washer extractors handle heavy loads with ease, giving everything a deep, thorough clean without wasting any time. From there, the high-speed tumble dryers take over to get fabrics perfectly dry and soft, while our flatwork ironer steps in to give large linens that crisp, wrinkle-free finish you expect. What's really cool is how smart these machines are. The automated controls track the whole cycle in real time, so we get perfect results every single run. It's been incredible seeing this facility come together, blending reliability with top-notch performance. If you're looking to upgrade your own laundry setup, we'd love to help. Reach out to the team at GEI Commercial Laundry Machines and let's chat.